Attention, employees. Today's competition will determine the most productive team. Humans versus machines. Who will win?
Awesome, let's win first place.
We've got the numbers.
Yeah, we're sure to win.
Humans team.
Let's get started, brothers.
Hooray!
Dry Orbeez.
These Orbeez have already grown. Let's harvest them, guys.
Bloated Orbeez.
Work hard, reap big rewards, everything. All the Orbeez have been transported smoothly.
Cap, we're almost done.
Wait, there are still lots of giant Orbeez. The long wait made them all grow too big.
Time out.
We've harvested a lot of Orbeez.
They're about to win. Buddy,
I have an idea.
How to build the Orbeez cable car. 1. Build the supporting tower. Bull wheel. The gears. The motor. Connect to the battery box. 2. Build the cabin. Metal mesh. These cabins will help push the Orbeez to the harvesting area faster. 3. Set up the cable car. Place the supporting towers on the foundations. Connect the 2 bull wheels together. Connect to the battery box. Plastic tube. Attach the cabin to the cable. Machines team.
Our cable car will optimize this process. Let's see how this machine flips the Orbeez. Look, the Orbeez are quickly transported to the harvesting chutes.
it's time to harvest the Orbeez.
Your time is out. The competition has been fierce, but only one can win. Are you ready? So, the winner is Peter's team. We won, guys.
In this episode,
Ghost, this heat could dry everything out today!
Time. Here I come. What? Where did all the water go?
Hey, my pool is empty!
Where's the water?
This is bad.
How are we supposed to swim now?
Don't worry, I will bring a high-pressure pump to fix this.
Whoa!
Let's fill these pools.
Ho! The water is back!
This first pool is full. All right, everyone, enjoy the pool. Now send the water down this slide to fill the second pool.
Look, the water is back. Let's try something crazy.
Let's play some volleyball.
how to build a high-pressure water pump. 1. Build the pump base. I'll need an impeller to spin and push the water up. The motor, the weight. To build the outlet pipe, this pipe will carry the water out once the gearbox drives the pump. Testing. The outlet can rotate while the pump still keeps pushing water.
Oh, there is one more pool. Hold on, the water's coming right now.
Oh, wow.
This is so fun! Yahoo!
Wow, this pump really brought a lot of people to my water park.
Near the horse farm.
Oh yeah, my horse farm's just ahead. Just gotta cross this bridge.
Those crocodiles took all my horses!
My truck's stuck in the river. I need your help.
Got it! I'm coming right now.
The bridge collapsed. I can't get this truck out.
It's okay. I'll call a crane to lift you out. The crane is ready. Let's pull it out. Perfect. The truck is safe.
How do we stop the crocodiles breaking the bridge again?
Then we build a strong dam to block them.
All the materials are here!
We need to block the water flow first.
Few minutes later.
Great. The river is dry. We can start building the foundation. Now we need to pour the concrete onto it.
I brought the concrete mixer here.
Sand. Cement. Water.
The concrete mix is ready. Let me spread the concrete evenly. All right. Next we build the sidewalls for the bridge. The walls are done. We can bring soil to fill the bridge.
Yeah.
It feels quite solid. Let's finish the road surface with concrete. Then we add lane lines onto this road. And attach the outlet pipe to the two waiting pipes. Next, connect them to the two valves to control the water, and done.
This is awesome. Let's make the river flow again.
Okay.
Woohoo! Water is flowing perfectly through the pipes. Those crocodiles can't reach my horses anymore.
How to build the pulley crane system.
Number 1. Build the frame structure. Base platform, vertical beam. Horizontal beam. Add the extra vertical beams. Number 2. Build the motor and pulleys. Horizontal beam. Wind the string onto the motor spool. Then thread the string through all these pulley wheels. Now build the cargo platform and attach it to the horizontal beam. Add the battery box. The automatic pulley system is done. Metal coin. Testing.
Ho-ho! We've just entered icy waters. Everything's clear, Captain.
Whoa! Wait, there's something ahead! Oh no, a bunch of icebergs is coming! Our ship is doomed!
How to help the Titanic avoid obstacles?
I'll turn this tank into a training course for a ship. Next, I'll place some polar details to make it look like Antarctica. Now, here comes our Titanic. Now, I'll build the steering mechanism. I'll need a wheel to control the ship's direction and help it avoid all the obstacles. Let's attach the steering wheel to the ship. And drop in plenty of ice cubes. Oh no, the ice isn't drifting at all. This tank needs something to make the water flow. So I'll build a spinning propeller to stir the water and keep it moving. I need 2 of them to keep things moving evenly. Now let's add more big ice blocks. Wow, the ice is flowing steadily now. Let's play around. Wow, staring through the ice is so fun. The iceberg dodging training course is ready.
This looks so tough. Can we make it?
We won't know unless we try! Let's go! The first iceberg! So easy!
All right, I'll make this more challenging. Let's dump in a ton of snow chunks.
That was tougher, but we still made it!
Awesome! I'm a master at steering now.
Great! We're ready to sail with confidence now!